My name is Pallavi. I'm an illustrator. I'm working on mental health awareness this month, and I've come across some really cool classes which have helped me self express. I hope that's going to help you guys as well. You guys now know that we are going to talk about emotions, and we're going to talk about emotions and self expression. So, as we grow, so I'm going to keep it very short. As we grow, we kind of categorize our emotions as good emotions and bad emotions, and the worst part of that is that we kind of don't want to look at our bad emotions, or we keep snoozing them. And it doesn't matter that how long you keep snoozing them, one day you have to do something about it. I think it has to be better sooner than later. So as the feelings are very subjective, but it's also very important for us to express them and release them, because all the emotions which are there inside us. So when we feel happy, we treat ourselves, but it's so unfair that when we feel sad, we again treat ourselves just to distract. So that sadness which is there inside us is trying to tell us something, and it has much more deeper meaning, and it's a good thing to feel sad, and it's trying to make you a better version of yourself. So now the point is how to express. Now there are various ways. If it's very difficult for you to talk to a friend about it, or talk to your parents about it, or talk to someone who is very close to you about it, you can because you think that they might not feel it like you feel it, or you think that they'll judge you again because you have already done that in the past. So therapy is one of the way of doing it, and trust me, going for a therapy is totally normal. A lot of people go for therapy. Art is also a good form where you can express your feelings, and trust me, you don't have to be a very skilled or professional artist or painter to do this. I've come across some really cool classes, and I'll put a combined link of all those classes. All of them are on Skillshare, so you can go and explore and practice whatever you feel more connected to. I really love all of them, and I hope you guys are going to like those as well. If you want to see more of my work, you can have a look at my Insta account. From that, I'm very new to blogging, and right now I know that I'm sucking at it, but still I'm doing it because a part of me loves it. Anyways, if you like this content, do subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to work on a lot of these kind of stuff. Okay. See you. Bye and take care, and do let me know how you like those classes. So I'm not a very camera friendly person. I'm just new to vlogging, and I'm just started, but I'm liking it a lot. I'm not putting out a lot of stuff out like this video. Let me know how this, because first of all, I'm a very camera shy person, and second of all, it's very weird talking to a lens.